Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how past perfect tense is in English. The past perfect tense is an important tense in English. The past perfect, also called the pluperfect, is a verb tense used to talk about actions that were completed before some point in the past. The past perfect tense is for talking about something that happened before something else. The structure of the past continuous tense is subject plus past form of auxiliary have plus the past form of a main verb. For example, I had finished my work. He had never played football until last week. John had gone out when I arrived in the office. I had saved my document before the computer crashed. She had met him before the party. For negative sentences we insert not between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. For example, I hadn't finished my meal. Anthony hadn't had a day off for months. We were not able to stay overnight at the hotel since we had not reserved a room in advance. For question sentences, we exchange the subject and the auxiliary verb. Had they eaten dinner? Had the parcel arrived when you called yesterday? Mary wasn't at home when I arrived. Really? Where had she gone? As you see, we can use the past perfect to show the order of two past events. For example, when the police arrived, the thief had escaped. It doesn't matter in which order we say the two events. The thief had escaped when the police arrived. We can also use the past perfect followed by before to show that an action was not done or was incomplete when the past simple action happened. Sadly, the author died before he'd finished the series. They left before I'd spoken to them. Past perfect tense can also be used to show dissatisfaction with the past. For example, we wished we had purchased the winning ticket. I wished I had told the truth. She wished she had seen her friend. The boy wished he had asked another question. We often use the adverbs already, still, just, ever or never with the past perfect. I called his office but he'd already left. It still hadn't rained at the beginning of May. I went to visit her when she'd just moved to Berlin. It was the most beautiful photo I'd ever seen. Had you ever visited London when you moved there? I'd never met anyone from California before I met Jim. Thank you for watching. Please comment your feedbacks.